times walk away, but for mama, things may sometimes not the same. She will face them, knowing that her children will be fine. Mommy, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You know I care about you. The only thing really wish to know, can the love for a mother be ever fade away? When there was nothing in the home, on the market floor was where she made her store, so I could always eat and go to school. Many times and problems they arise, Mommy cried to see tomorrow will be another day, and sorrows continue to go on. I asked my mommy why she cried when she cried, though I could see it in her eyes. She tried to hide the reason why she cried by telling me because she loves me so. Mommy, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You know I care about you. The only thing really wish to know, can the love for a mother be ever fade away? Many times I gave her trouble. I know she felt like giving up at times. Somehow her mama understands that her boy will not forever be a boy. Mommy, I love you from the bottom of my heart. You know I care about you. The only thing really wish to know, can the love for a mother be ever fade